kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Let me teach you how to make this healthy plantain fufu or plantain amala recipe that can be paired with different kind of soup like egusi, eforivo, and so on. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, and let's dive right into the preparation.
Okay, so this is the plantain I'm going to be using. So I'll go ahead to wash it. We're going to wash this very well. So you wash it with salt and clean water to ensure that it is free from germs and it is safe to consume. Okay, so we're going to wash this very well because we're going to use both the peels and the plantain together. So the nutritional value of plantain peels is very similar to that of plantain. So plantain peels are not just a waste of plantain, they can also be used to improve your health. There are a lot of ways you can utilize plantain peels to benefit from it, and the nutritional values are so much. They are really so much, and this is one way you can benefit from plantain peels. Okay, so I'm going to chop this plantain into smaller sizes and the one your blender can carry easily. Okay, so I'll go ahead to put this in my blender and I'll add in some water. Okay, let it just be small water to help the blender so it will not be too soft. Just blend till smooth, and I'll transfer this into the pan. So I'm gonna be mixing this. I'll just stir continually so it does not get burnt. Okay, some benefits of plantain and plantain peels are: one, they are rich in folate, and as it is now, after stirring, you add in a little water if yours is not too soft, but mine was still soft, so I didn't bother to add in water. So you cover it and cook for a few minutes. So I'm gonna be wrapping it now. Okay, so another benefit is they are rich in dietary fiber. They possess anti-inflammatory properties, and they are also good source of iron. They are excellent source of potassium. So both the plantain and the peels shows promising potential for human and even livestock. Okay, so they are very rich. So this is what I have after wrapping. This is my final look, and the result was amazing. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.